Parmy. Thought it would do well as a side, as I said in the other video. No, that's nice. Despite the fact I'm not really a veggie man, but I have to tell my daughter about this. Now, the Parmigiana, egg Parmigiana can be cooked in the oven 60 minutes, or the microwave for 9 minutes on 1000 watts. In both cases, both videos, I did microwave it just out of simplicity, and I wasn't going to waste an hour waiting for it to cook. But it would be nicer. The eggplant would be nicer because it would be crisped up on the top if I baked it. But that's right. Yeah, nice wings, nice and meaty. It's nice. Excuse me for a moment, I'm just going to wash that down with a CC. Oh, that's nice. So, I think from memory, I gave that 8 stars out of 10 from memory. And hold the phone. I'm just going to finish this, and then I'm going to talk to you. Well, I'm back, and I've finished it. Well, it's still got bones. Now, if my wife was here, she'd pick over them. She'd pick over them. So every morsel of meat I've been eating. Well, unfortunately, my wife isn't here. She's still in hospital. She should be right.